I'm Hamish Johnston, and I'm here at the Perimeter Institute in Canada. With me is Maria Spiropulu, who is a physicist at Caltech and also works on the CMS experiment on the LHC at CERN. So Maria, what are you looking forward to the most in the early data from the LHC?
Yeah, this is a very good question. The early data for the LHC now is the best place to be looking for heavier particles. The reason is that we went almost double the energy compared to the previous run. And some of the most intriguing particles that we could come across would be, for example, heavier Higgs bosons. We have found one, but it may not be the only one. And if we think about it, even a little change on the way we perceive the Higgs in the standard model, even a little change in the potential could have other Higgses emerge, heavier Higgses. Even more in supersymmetry, we know that there are 5 Higgses that are different in masses and in other quantum properties, and one of the main targets of the LHC round 2 is to go and attack and find if there are such heavier Higgses.
And finding heavier Higgses, that would be evidence, the first experimental evidence for supersymmetry.
Well, finding anything at the weak scale, including the Higgses, would point towards the most natural solution we have, which would be supersymmetry. We have to make sure to understand here that when we find something new, we will need a lot of characterization and time before we say what it is. So the first step would be a eureka moment, and then we have to characterize. Right now, we are not in the era of the standard model where we had predictions and we went and found something that was predicted. Right now, we are shooting in the dark. So something will come, a discovery will come, and we will have to take our time to study it and say what it is. The most natural and perhaps the most wished for is supersymmetry.
Okay, that's great. Well, good luck, Maria.
Thank you.